Have you ever wondered what actually happens when you open a website? When you type something like youtube.com, your device sends a message that says, "This is my IP address and I want to visit this website." That message goes through your internet provider and then reaches the site you want to access. Without a VPN, your IP address is visible, your rough location can be detected, and the websites you visit can be tracked. An IP address is basically your home address on the internet. It shows which country you are in and which network you are using. This is where a VPN comes in. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, but in simple terms, it creates a secure tunnel between you and the internet. Normally, your connection goes directly from you to the website, but with a VPN, your data first travels through an encrypted tunnel to a VPN server and then to the website. This tunnel encrypts your data, which means your internet provider and hackers on public Wi-Fi can't see what you're doing online. They can only see that you're using a VPN. At the same time, a VPN hides your real IP address and replaces it with the IP address of the VPN server. So if you're in England and your VPN server is in Germany, the website thinks you're visiting from Germany. A simple way to imagine this is sending a letter. Normally, your own address is written on it, but with a VPN, you give the letter to a middleman who sends it using their own address, so the receiver never sees yours. However, this does not mean you are completely invisible. A VPN only hides your IP address, not your identity. If you log into accounts like Google, YouTube, or social media, you are effectively telling those platforms who you are by signing in with your email and password. At that point, it doesn't matter if you are using a VPN or not. The account already belongs to you. On top of that, websites can recognize you using cookies and browser fingerprinting, which means they can identify your device based on your browser settings, screen resolution, language, and other technical details. Also, the VPN provider itself can see your connection, and if a VPN company keeps logs and is legally required to share data with authorities, that information can be handed over. For these reasons, a VPN does not make you anonymous. It simply reduces how much of your activity is visible to your internet provider and the websites you visit. A VPN is not magic, but it gives you more control over your privacy online. If you're interested in Python, I recommend checking out the courses section on the channel. You can watch the Python courses for free. To support us, you can join the YouTube channel and subscribe. Keep learning.